Hello guys! We're gonna eat pandesal. And this two
Almaray cheese.
cheese almaray from UAE, Dubai. Live selling. Live no because oh, ano ka na? Pagod na.
Hindi, dito ako.
Hindi ka nga makita.
Hi!
Kagat 1, 2, 3. Yummy. Harap. 1, 2, 3. Ipakita ka sana.
Yummy.
Yummy.
You wanna try our pandesal? You can go to bakery. Filipino bakery. It's so yummy. Only
Only
1.
50 minutes.
Yeah.
Sarap. Ito guys, oh. Sarap. Creamy cheese. Creamy cheese. Halika.